as I somehow made a visually appealing game within Excel, with physics, collision.
You can make games in Excel? That's so cool.
Maybe you can make one.
Huh? What?
Make one in Google Sheets.
Wait, is that even possible?
Make Chrome's dinosaur game. Share it with everyone. Honor our estate buddies. Then gain many clouds.
We are YouTubers. Of course we accept challenges like this. Before executing my genius idea, there's something I need to check first. Does Google Sheets allows me to write code? You see, programming scripts is essential in Excel's game development. In other words, if Google Sheets doesn't allow me to write script, I need to say bye-bye to this idea. And the moment of truth. Yes, I can! I can write script in Google Sheets. Although I have never learned any programming language for any spreadsheet application, I believe that is pretty easy, isn't it? I mean, Google Sheets is just a simple application. What could possibly go wrong? Anyway, folks, I present to you what I have done to achieve this goal. Enjoy! As I knew nothing about Google Sheets programming, I first watched some tutorial videos. It did look like a bad sign that I encountered my first hurdle 9 minutes into a 21-part video series. So supposedly, after opening the script editor and running this function, text will be shown here. However, an unknown error appeared. It's so mysterious that Google won't even tell me what it was. Despite Google gatekeeping this error for me, I did whatever I could to debug this, like spotting typos as the chippy chippy choppa choppa cat. With Google being my savior, I solved this error by reopening the script editor. It turns out I need to reopen the script editor every time I refresh the spreadsheet document. See, not a bad sign. It's just a coincidence. Yeah. That's the word. After suffering the emotional damage caused by that error, I decided to reward myself with this. It's a clout-chasing, fame-hungry YouTuber. I could never pass out on an opportunity like this to self-promote. So guys, remember, subscribe! Thanks a lot! Luckily, everything else went smoothly, which is a great thing. I decided to focus on the functionality first. Thus, I created a rectangle game as the base of DINO game. After that, I will build upon it and implement the DINO game. And now, it's time for me to show off what I have learned in those tutorial videos and make my first Google Sheets game. A dream come true after all those preparation. It's something I want to say out loud. I can't because you see there's something flawed about human being.
Huh?
So I when watching the video, I took out my fidget spinner and I kinda play with it and get distracted. This person has already forgotten what they just learned. I didn't mean to, but this is something flawed about human being. It's not my fault. Genetics fault. Okay? Genetics fault. Remember, not my fault. Yeah, great. Anyway, I decided to push it through by watching the tutorial videos again.
One eternity later.
Let's talk about the things I have implemented successfully. I've created the rectangle jumping function and mapped it with keystrokes, allowing me to use the keyboard to make the rectangle jump. I have also added the floor to the game area. However, I was stuck when it comes to generating obstacles periodically. I mean, executing functions periodically is easy if they run at a minimum every minute. But clearly, if that's the case, no one wants to play this game. Then why would I make it? Out of desperation, I've sought help from them, the species that humans predict will dominate the future. I'm saying that here comes the AI. It's ChatGPT time. Good day, the almighty AI chatbot, Sir ChatGPT. I want to create Google Chrome's DINO game inside Google Sheets with the help of app scripts. Can you help generate the full code so that I can achieve this goal? Thanks, love you! Yay, ganbatte! I know you can do it! Yay, fighting!
And here we go.
After I copied the code and ran it, that's how the game looks like. This challenge is a success. The Google Sheets DINO game is now a complete replica of its original version. Perfect! Making games with AI is so easy. Why I didn't think about using it in the first place? Nah, I'm just joking, this is fake. Let me show you the real thing. Yeah, I guess that's just another Will Smith moment with the AI here.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Unfortunately, the AI is not ready for this challenge yet. Luckily, ChatGPT solutions give me some ideas on how to generate obstacles periodically by using the sleep function. Also, FYI, to keep things simple, the score is not updated in real time. So this is the final rectangle game. We finally entered the part where I implement the DINO game. So I first draw this and this and this and this and this. Then I plug them into the game one by one. Oops, what a chunky fella right here. Let me fix you up a bit. DINO, I helped you implement this jumping function. You can now keep fit by doing this as your exercise. No need to thank me. Then I was stuck again when it comes to the obstacles. It was normal in the beginning, however, halfway debugging this error, things load really slowly. At this moment, I decided to give up. This issue persists for days after I first encountered it. There was nothing I can do to fix this. Google Sheets are just too weak for my code. I guess this blank spreadsheet wraps my emotional journey of recreating Chrome's DINO game in Google Sheets. Thank you for staying till the end to see this bad ending with me. See you next time, bye!